Hey, Jayanam here with a new Blender 2.8 video. I want to show you the new feature custom profiles for bevels. Let's open Blender 2.82 with the default cube, go to edit mode and press S followed by Z to scale down the cube. Okay, then I change to edge selection and select one edge of the mesh, press Ctrl and B to add a bevel. I move the mouse to increase the size of the bevel and then use the mouse wheel to add some segments. I guess you know this feature, but now in Blender 2.82 you can activate a so-called custom profile here in the options of the bevel. Just activate this checkbox and then you can see small dots, so-called handles, for each edge of the bevel, and you can move these around, which is like modeling the bevel using the profile. For selected handles you can set the handle type to sharp or smooth. Also, when you undo this bevel operation and then select some edges of the mesh and press Ctrl and B to add a bevel again, the last profile is stored and can be used again, like this. Okay, now let me move this object to the left and add a new one. And for this I go again to edit mode and scale it down like the first one. And then I go ahead with the object selected and add a bevel modifier, because the custom profile can be used for this as well. I set the number of segments to 5 for example, and then, like we did for the first object, I move the handles around just to add a more interesting custom profile for the segments. With this you can add a bevel for the whole object using a modifier, which is non-destructive. Okay, that looks nice, and if you like you can add a subdivision surface modifier to make the bevel look more crisp. Cool, now I enabled some shadows and the cavity in the viewport shading so that we can better see the bevels. Alright, now let's duplicate the last object and go to the modifier stack to move the subdivision surface modifier above the bevel modifier. And this leads to a quite interesting effect. Of course you can switch to edit mode again and for example adjust the scale. So I recommend to play around with this feature, combine it with other modeling techniques, for example inset this face and extrude it to the inside. It's a lot of fun. Okay, but there's more. Let's assume you want to create a door frame for example. Then you could select the inside edges like this and press Ctrl and B to add a normal bevel with 4 or 5 segments. But then you add again a custom profile to create a bevel for the frame like this. You can also delete selected handles by pressing this X button in the lower right hand corner. Okay, looks nice, and of course you can do this for the outside edges as well. So guys, that's what I wanted to show you, just a quick info about the new feature. I hope you like it. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe to Jayanam. If you have any questions or suggestions for new tutorials, then add these to the comments below. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support if you like to support me as my patron, and I'll see you in the next one.